had done my summer project with the collaboration project of that Applied Materials and the IIT Bombay, which was conducted in the last year. So I am third year UG from Metallurgical Department, and I am also doing the minor in Management Studies. So this is like contradicting somehow, but still. So why you choose some projects in departments? Means generally this is not a trend. Means second and first year Janta don't have much into about the department. It's like I observed that thing in my department. Like metallurgy students are like, क्या job तो लगने वाली है नहीं अपने. तो first year से fight मारो non-core के लिए, non-core intern कोई company में जाके ढूंढ लो. That's the funda. But it was like a great experience for me. Like I was completed almost 2 courses in management. So I was also like कि हाँ भाई जाना है तो non-core ही जाना है. But luckily I got a project with a good professor and with the applied materials. So it was like a dream project for me. So you should try at least in the second year summer. So it's the best time to check it out. So basically I will share some experience with PhDs and MTech students. Generally we don't consider them as like कि with good academics, मटके हैं वो तो आते हैं, like कि they don't have life के फंडे. But it's like for me it was like a good experience. Means you can take some laboratory experience, knowledge and idea sharing, and they mostly behave like your friends. So you can ask them any silly questions like you have about the experiments and like about your projects. So how many of you know about the SAF? Please don't now look at that. How many of you know about the SAF? SAIF in IIT Bombay. So only one person is knowing that. So just open that. So it's like our like God instruments, ACM, TEM, HRTM, and you can characterize any particle up to the atomic level. So it's the biggest thing we have in IIT Bombay. So I had done most of my characterization and project work here in SAF. So the project I had done with Mr. Parag Bhargav, and he is like a youngest professor who are the president in Ceramic India. So it was like nice experience for me with working like a young professor, and it was like towards the research point out, which is the motto of IIT Bombay, which we are really feeling now that it's not going well in IIT Bombay, with at least in metallurgy department. So basically communication with faculties is very important point. Like you will need recos in third year interns and for masters and PhD applications. So if you have a good contacts with your professors, so it's like a good thing that you will easily get reco. You will also can get a next research opportunity. Basically I had done a very good project and research work in my summer, and basically I got a winter research in the National Chemical Laboratories, and I had done my research work there. So that guy was the PhD guide of my faculty. So you can realize how these contacts will help you in further internships. So some very special things about the applied materials I found. The people are really good, very helpful. Working hours are flexible, means sometimes I work 12-13 hours in a day, and it was like fine for me. And treat in big restaurants. I had one treat with saffron spice, and also I missed one treat. Atmosphere in labs, I will share some things about metallurgy labs. Most of the labs are with ACs because we have instruments like ACM, TM, they need full AC. So you can also enjoy that AC. All are well equipped, and facilities are really awesome in metallurgy department. If you don't think, how many are from metallurgy department here? Yeah, many of them are here. So like facilities are really good. You should have to use those facilities. And lab refrigerators are not only for chemicals. You can find many chocolates in there. Basically, my group was working on DSSC, and it's like a dye-sensitized solar cell. And always in week they have to go to some research presentation or like for the Germany and US. So always they come with lot of chocolates and lot of things, so that you can also enjoy with them. So because some of the points regarding the project. So general facts, surely you can decide about core and non-core with the help of second year summer projects. Best resume point, you can write about that project in your resume. You can enjoy other things with your projects, like if you are enthusiastic in some like in swimming or painting, like you can enjoy those things with your projects. And basically the best point is here is the habit of reading research papers. So basically those students who are not very used to with reading of these research papers, so it is like very problematic when you are going to fourth year your DDP project in the fifth year DDP projects or the BTech projects. So sometimes faculties just say you ki read these 20-30 papers and you are just like हाँ भाई हमसे ना हो पाएगा. So it's like a very good habit you can get with these research projects. With me, I learned many different characterization techniques. I'm in metallurgy, but still I learned many instruments like SEM, TEM, DLS, XPS. Means these are some. So XRD, all those things. So and one point is that that project covered almost whole content of my next semester course work. So that course was like chill out for me. Also lab experiments are very easy, then means lab courses you can do very easily. Means it's very handy for you to carry out those experiments. And this is maybe the point, you can get benefits from TA. So basically many PhDs and MTechs are going to be your TAs for next courses and lab. So you can surely get some benefits from them. So my project cost was around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. The funding was from, like, you can't expect such kind of funding outside the IIT. Means prof can't involve such huge money in your project for a 1.5 month and 2 months. So it was like good for me. Exposure to such a big company like Applied Materials, which biggest name in the semiconductors and solar panel. So it's like good for me. And also the interaction with company officials means in my summer project it was like a structure key. You have to give a presentation after like 15 days and 20 days. So we had many like video conferencing and like that. So you can get a chance to talk with very big officials and researchers outside India. Like we had many conferences with US and Korea through the IIT Mumbai conference. This is my UG symposium poster. I will not talk about anything about my project because it's like too much chemistry and metallurgy. So it's ends.
So do you have any questions like about the projects in the institute when it comes to research? How do you?
So basically we have that summer project portal, I think.
That is there, but if like.
So I applied also through that portal only. Means prof asked for some student who are interested in that project, and prof shortlisted obviously on CPI basis. So make your CPI.
But then even if your CPI is low, you can approach professors.
Because I think prof thought about that such huge money is involved and also the name of the institute. So he preferred to some high CPI student only.